Alright, what's going on, everyone? Welcome to today's video. Today's video is actually involving this radio. Today's video is going to be upgrading this radio to the RDC or RCD 510. I think it's RCD. So it's the touchscreen unit, bigger face. Not like an essential upgrade by any means, but I just want the touchscreen on it. Just as simple as that. So I'm hoping this is going to be an easy swap. We're just going to start by popping this trim off. So I got, you're supposed to use plastic trim tools so you don't wreck the plastic, but mine are all at work. So I'm going to just be using a putty knife and a flat blade screwdriver right there. Also tools will be in the description below if you want to pick yourself up a nice set of screwdrivers. But we're gonna just get started here. I'm gonna work on probably a lower corner, hopefully, so that if I scratch it, it's in an area where people won't be as, you won't notice it as much. But I'm gonna just try and get up under here, and I'm gonna push more on the dash, try and just get under it and give it a little twist. See, that is why you don't want to use this tool, because you scratch it really easy. But I don't really care. So I'm just getting under it and giving it a little twist. See, it's starting to separate there. Come back to this corner. Just heard the clip. Hopefully it's a clip and not me just breaking it, but I honestly have no idea if I'm in the right spot. Again, scratched it. Don't do as I do. But it's in a spot where you're not really going to see it, so I'm not that worried about it. And then I'm just going to kind of get under it. I'm just going to pry my way around, so I'm going to set you down for this. Alright, so this is why when things aren't working like they're supposed to, you stop and do some research, because I was about to start yanking on this thing, and there's actually 2 screws under each of the covers. One's like your card holder, and then one's your seatbelt sign thingamabop. So there's 2 Torx screws in there. I already have a Torx one in here, again from also. I think this is a T15. I'm pretty sure it's bigger than that. I think it's like at least a 20, but see, it's a little loose, but I think it's enough to get it. Yeah. So take this one out. So that one's out. Now this one, same deal. So there's that, and now hopefully this one. Yep. Just pull it off. Then you gotta get this. This is a harness in the back. Just a push button. I'm putting my stuff up there. Kind of move that out of the way. Pull back, and there's going to be another harness you can see right there on the hazard. Just again push the tab in. Can't really get a good grip on it. There you go. You can fold it over, so you can just fold the bezel back. I'm just going to grab onto it, pull it out. Your bezel to the side, perfect. And yeah, there it is. Nice shot to the radio. So 4 mounting screws, same thing, 1 in each corner. Hoping that the size will work for them too. A little loose, but it'll take it off. So I'm gonna take these out real quick. All right, all 4 screws are out. Look at that attention to detail though. Ray, I don't know who that is, but if you made these, you did good. Alright, so those are all out. Radio hopefully is gonna pull. Just giving it a little tug. Again, really should be using plastic here, but I don't have it with me. Okay, there it is. We're gonna pull this back. Alright, pull it back. It's a big heavy unit. This, I believe, has a clip on it. Hard to see it, but yeah, there's a clip. And this one is, let me get this front one off real quick. Alright, that was a real pain to get off. I don't quite understand how this connector works. Doesn't really make much sense. I'm pretty sure this was supposed to stay on, but whatever, that's off. And then this one folds up from the back. Twist the radio to the side. For some reason it's on. Pull up on the bottom. This has a tab in the back. So you gotta push that tab. See, so it's clipped. Squeeze in, break that loose. And then just pull the whole harness out. So there's your harness. So let me go get the new radio. There's your harness. Here's your old radio. Let's go get the new one. All right, here's the new radio. See, it's touchscreen on the front, a lot bigger screen. Also, a lot heavier. So again, there's the old one. Just a little screen versus the big screen. Gonna flip them both over. Take a look at the back. See, this is what I was talking about. That definitely was supposed to stay on, but I think we'll just, this piece, I think we'll just peel this off and then push that connector onto it. These connectors do look the same, so that's good. So we're just going to get this piece off and then start connecting it, and I'll show you where we're going after that. All right, there it is. It's installed now. I don't know what this is for. Maybe it's like an SD card or something, but I just got that in the dash. Everything's hooked up. I'm waiting to get the code for it, the radio code. That's coming online because seller didn't send a code with it, so we kind of need that. So now it's just putting the last 4 screws in, connecting that, putting the bezel on, and then we'll pick up and show you when it's in. All right, so picking up where we left off. It's been like probably 4 days now, but here it is. Just clipped all the trim pieces back in. You can tell, you know, I didn't scratch it up too bad. There's a little bit of, that just needs to be white, but there's a little scratch right there. But if you try and pry in places where it's not too noticeable, it's not that bad. So it looks good. It's in there. If you can't get the radio code, like say you go to a junkyard and find one of these, look for the radio code in the trunk. But if not, you can take a picture of the serial number on the top, and there's a bunch of people on eBay that have the unlock codes. So you just send them your serial number, and I think it was like $4, and they send you the unlock code for it. And other than that, it's a direct swap. It just plugs right into factory wiring, and everything works. Radio works. So, yep, that's it for this swap. Works good, real quick. Pretty easy swap, makes a big difference in the car. It also enabled steering wheel controls to work now. Like the volume worked before, but the like skip song didn't work. But with this radio, it does now, so that's a big plus, I guess. But that's gonna be it for this video. Just want to do a quick video on upgrading it, and yeah, if you enjoyed videos like this, maybe some other mods will do on the Tiguan, because I did just buy this car. Leave down below what you want to see me do to it, and like the video, dislike it, let me know what you thought of it. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.